Now let's look at some more problems of graphing y equals mx plus b, where we start with an equation that's not necessarily written in that form. So first let's look at graphing 5x minus 2y is equal to 8. Now there's a couple different ways to graph this, but one way to graph it is to rewrite this so that it is in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So if we do that, the first thing we want to do here is we want to subtract 5x from both sides, and then we get minus 2y is equal to minus 5x plus 8. And then we want to divide by a negative 2. Now if we divide the y by a minus 2, then we have to divide every single term by a minus 2. And then we get y is equal to 5 halves x. Let's see, that's a positive 8, a minus 2, so that would be a minus 4. So in this case, the slope will be a positive 5 halves, and the y-intercept will be minus 4. Or if you want to think about it in terms of 0 minus 4, because the y-intercept being a point. So let's graph that quickly. So first let's do an xy graph. And then let's graph first the point. Remember, first you graph B. And second, use the slope to find another point. So we graph 0 minus 4. So that would be this point right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 0 minus 4 there. And then the slope is 5 halves, so use the slope to find another point. In this case, the slope is positive, so it would be up 5 and over 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2 right there. If you wanted to, you could do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2, but you don't really need any more than 2 points. Now you just connect the dots, and that's how you graph y equals mx plus b, even if it's not written in that form. You just rewrite it. Let's do another quick example. Let's graph 2x plus 3y is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. You can rewrite this y equals mx plus b. I'm going to simply subtract 2x from both sides, and I get 3y is minus 2x plus 12. I want to divide by 3, but if I divide by 3, I have to divide everything by 3, and I get y is equal to minus 2/3 x plus 4. In this case, the y-intercept, b is 4, so the y-intercept is the point 0, 4. The slope is minus 2 over 3. Remember, a negative slope, you can think of it as a minus 2 over a positive 3, or you can think about it as a positive 2 over a minus 3. Both of those are equivalent. Let's graph this. Draw your xy graph. First graph the point 0, 4. Zero, 4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, this point right here. Then use the slope of a minus 2/3. You could go down 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If you noticed, if I went up 2 and back 3, I would get a point on the same line. So you can do either one. Draw the line, and that line is the slope. Y is equal to minus 2/3 x plus 4. But it's also the graph of 2x plus 3y equals 12, because those two are equivalent. And that's how you graph y equals mx plus b, even if it's not written in that form.